Hi, today I am going to demonstrate the Velosimo integration between Laserfiche Forms and Forte Checkout. On my screen, I am showing a very simple Laserfiche form that is allowing an applicant to apply for a garage sale permit. This is a simple Laserfiche form running on our Laserfiche form server. I have one field required, how many days for the permit. I'm going to go ahead and enter 2. And I have this form set up to calculate a total amount of $40 due for a 2-day permit. I'm going to go ahead and submit this form. Upon submission, the user is now being sent to Forte Checkout for payment and presented with the Forte Checkout screen. Here, the user has the option to pay using either a credit card or an e-check. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and pay with a credit card. Here, Forte has calculated a service fee to get included with the total, so a total of $41.95. I'm going to go ahead and authorize that transaction. And it looks as though my payment was successful. I have now paid for my garage sale permit for a total of $41.95, including a $1.95 transaction fee. From here, the applicant is now complete. Switching to the back office view, I'm able to look at the different submissions that have come in. So here is the submission that I just created. From within Laserfiche Forms, I'm able to now drill in and see the payment information that was collected. It's approved for the amount. I'm able to deep link right into the Forte transaction within the Forte console. You can see here is all the transaction information for that payment. I can go back within the Forte console and see all of that information that was listed. And that's a look at our Forte integration between Laserfiche Forms.